थैंक यू वेरी मच। आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। I feel honored and privileged to stand here and witness 39th Foundation Day of this prestigious school. Honorable Atul Kumar Joshi ji, Registrar, Kumaon University. Mr. Avinash Kumar Singh, he is head Bajaj Auto Limited. Dr. Nagendra Sharma ji, Sports Officer, Kumaon University. General Secretary, Shri Surjit Singh ji, Director of this school, Principal, all sectional head, teachers, and my dear student. Before I say something, I would like to tell you, please give round of applause for all the students of this institute. Thank you. Now, when we talk of a foundation day, it is a day when we should have a gratitude for the people who have founded this school. What vision they must be having. Because it is rightly said that if you want to hamper the economy of any country, you hamper the education system of that country, the economy will fall down. So the founder of this school must have thought of strengthening the education of this particular area, and they have founded this school because they have a vision of producing, they wanted to produce a good citizen in this country so that we can have proud on these students. Not a single institute can run without the efforts of the teachers. The dedication, hard work of the teacher always pay back. And you must have realized it with the speeches of your alumni. So a big round of applause for alumni, those who have come and attended this program. Nobody will teach you how to clap. Why you are doing conjusi in clapping? Yes. With this program, you have taken me back 45 years back, when I used to participate in my school. And we also used to participate on the stage. As your alumni have said, by participating in this program, you learn how to face the crowd, how to handle the pressure of these 500 people, those who are sitting in front of you. I mean, all the alumni were saying good words about the school. But my humble request to all the alumni is that there should be a symbiotic relationship between the alumni and your alma mater. And how you can develop that symbiotic relationship? The first thing is, this school must be having a website. So on that website, my humble request is that please develop a mentor-mentee column. And in that, those who are successful in the field of medical, please adopt at least 10 children and teach them, guide them. Because you are not only mentor and guide, you will become the idol for those 10 students. Similarly, those who are in engineering can adopt 10 students of this and guide them. मैं इसका कारण बताती हूँ क्यों मैं कह रही हूँ ऐसे. इसका कारण है जो टीचर्स यहाँ पढ़ाते हैं ना, दे कैन इम्पार्ट देम द बुकिश नॉलेज, है ना, थोड़ी सी दूसरी नॉलेज भी दे सकते हैं, बट यू आर द वन जिनसे वो बच्चा 1-to-1 कनेक्ट हो सकता है और अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर कर सकता है. हो सकता है उसके पास कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हो जो वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ शेयर नहीं कर सकता, वो अपने टीचर्स के साथ शेयर नहीं कर सकता, बट बीइंग मेंटर they can share their problems with you guys and you can solve their problems. In that way, you can help these students, your student of this thing, and you can have a symbiotic relationship with your alma maters. So with all these, thank you very much for inviting me here and listening to me, because there are many programs which are listed here. So I will not become the hindrance between you and the program. So once again, I congratulate all of you for this 39th Foundation Day. Thank you very much.